on your Instagram post or reel. If you want to block someone to comment on your reel or post, then I will tell you how to do this. First of all, click on Instagram. Go to this last tab. Here you can see some of your posts. If I open, I don't want some of the people to comment on this post or all post, right? So I have to go to this icon, then click on three dots, then scroll down. Here under how other can interact with you section, you have to click on comments. First you will see block comments from. You have to click on this, then you have to search the username of that user whom you want to restrict. Suppose I have one friend who is following me. So I want to block this to comment on my reel or post. Then I can block. I can unblock also. If I have mistaken, I have did it by mistake, then I can immediately unblock it, or I can block it. If I block it, then this user will not be able to comment on my post or reel. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, comment and share.